Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Hi, my name is Sebastian and I'm showing you how to start affiliate marketing. But first, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simply said promoting other people's products, and you get a commission for every sale. To track the sale back to you, you get a special URL with your affiliate ID in it, and with this URL your affiliate partner knows who referred the customer to them. The commission depends on the affiliate program. It could be from a few dollars to $500 plus or even $1,000. You can become an affiliate for many brands like Amazon, Target, Nike. For this tutorial we take Amazon. Click on Become an Affiliate. Then sign up. Just sign up and go through the process. You will have to enter your website at some point, so this is what we are doing next. Go to Beacons AI, sign up, it's free. Enter your details, your new username. Wait till it's finished. Continue with the sign up process. We're going to take TikTok for the last step of the tutorial, but it's just an example. You can also use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Education. Select your template. Just click on skip. Now your page is ready. This is the URL you can take and put it as your web page in your Amazon registration. Finish your registration. When you finish with Amazon Associates, go over here and enter your product, or go to product linking. Search your keyword. I take the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, and then I have here, I take this one, Rich Dad Poor Dad, get link. Just click on it, and we want text only, and we take the short link. With this link, Amazon can track back the sale to you and you get money. Copy the link, go back to our Beacons page. Here you can play around with the appearance. We go to my page, to the links, add a new link at the bottom with title, subtitle, URL. We take the Amazon link from over here, paste it. Title, subtitle, we take it from here, from Amazon. Title, Rich Poor Dad. Subtitle, you can copy it from Amazon, and it's saved. And now we have it over here, Rich Dad Poor Dad. And now you can do it for your other affiliate links. And now customize your Beacons page. Add new links for other products if you want to add more books. If your channel is about sports, put in sports gear, sports book, I don't know. Just go to Amazon, search for the product and put in the links you don't need. Just go over here and delete them. If you want to change the appearance or other pictures, just do so. And now we come to the next step, the traffic. People have to see our offer. Without people who click on the link, we don't get a commission. For this example, we take TikTok. This is my TikTok channel. Build your channel, put in a description for your channel and your clickable link. You need 1,000 followers for your link. We took Amazon products as an example, so I show you an example channel for that. We have here this channel, over 5 million followers. It's about the cleaning, organization, lifestyle. You see here, it's all organization videos, short videos. And the videos get a lot of views, 23 million views. About refilling stuff. Massage gun. It's all about Amazon products. Order them, make a few videos about them, and you're good to go. Build your channel. And you see over here, it's a beacons page. Click on the page and you see here, she's an Amazon associate. She has an Amazon store. This is her Amazon page where you can order all the stuff she's making videos about. And she's doing a really great job. If you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, check out the first link in the description. It's my favorite way. It's a great challenge, 15 days step by step. I did the challenge myself and it will show you the basics of an online business with affiliate marketing.